It's your girl Shy again with another Stitch Fix On video for the month of March. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. Work, life, life has been busy, so I haven't really done a Stitch Fix video. So glad to see you guys again. Hope you didn't miss me too bad. I just decided I wanted to get some things for the spring and record my, try-ons and everything. You know how the drill goes. So if you're new to Stitch Fix or new to my channel, welcome. If you're new to Stitch Fix, just to give you a brief overview, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription for $20. You get paired up with a stylist and you fill out a profile online to show, your name, your height, your weight, all your measurements, and then also they ask you questions about your style, and then your stylist will best match you up with different clothing from dresses, pants, shirts, shoes, accessories, whatever they think you would like. I recommend signing up for a Pinterest board so they can give your stylist a little bit of an idea of what you like. So here it is. Here's my box. So let's get this show on the road. So again, 20 bucks, get paired up with a stylist. I love it. I've been doing it for over a year and a half. So this is what comes in your box. Get your handy dandy bag here. So this is to put all the items that you don't want. Free shipping. Send it back to the old post office. Then you have your literature here. This dang on auto-focusing. Here's your literature here with your styling card and also your pricing sheet. We'll look at that a little bit later. And looks like my bundle's in here. Let's see. So here's my styling card, also with a note from my stylist. Let's see. Hopefully I get my girl. I got my girl, Rebecca. I miss you, Rebecca, if you're watching this. So let's see what she says. Happy soon-to-be spring, Shy. I've missed you. I missed you too. How have I not, and she says, how have I not included an animal print in any of your fixes yet? Yes, I asked her for an animal print tank top. Let's see. Let's remedy that, shall we? While not a tank, okay, while I keep looking for it, the French gray handy top will certainly be a great stand-in for the time being, inspired by one of your pins. Again, like I said, do a Pinterest board because they do look at them. I've also included a bold red collarless blazer from Skies Are Blue Today. Try these pieces together with either your favorite skinnies or the cut from the cloth straight leg pants. As for a more classic look, swap the handy top for the pale sky keyhole top, and no matter what look you create, finish with the Empire Lynch clutch. How's that for adding color to your wardrobe? Would you still like me to look for the J top you requested, or is this similar enough? Let me know. Until next time, enjoy. Ciao, Rebecca. Well, Rebecca, thank you so much. I appreciate it as always. Let's see what I have here. Here's my bundles right here. Ooh, I see some color. I see my animal prints. And then also, ooh, I got a bag. Look at that. Okay, let's look at this bag for a minute. Okay, I did ask her for a red purse a few fixes back. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, I see it got a little chain of. Okay, never mind. See, got this little closure here. I said, wait a minute. Did they send me a broken item? I don't think so. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, this is a cute little bag. I have something similar like this in black. But this is a cute little bag. Unfortunately, I did buy a red bag about a couple of months ago. But it was a big red bag. But this is actually pretty cute. I wish the chain was more silver, because I like more silver tone than gold. But this is not bad. Okay, we'll see. So let's put that in there. Let's see. Let's open up this bundle here. And let's see what we got. Okay, here's my animal print top. Ooh, okay, looks very comfortable. Yeah, and I also have some shoes that goes with that. Might be very nice, y'all. Let's see. I'm sorry for the blurriness, guys. Try to do something with this new camera. It's just not working for me. Okay, let's see here. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. Technical difficulties averted. Thought I had to re-record. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, we got the white top. Okay, this is not too bad. Little crochet detail. I don't think that's too bad. I thought I wouldn't like it, but it's not too bad. Okay, see. Tell me, guys, what do you think? Of course, I'm gonna do a try on. Let's see. Okay, I think this is the blazer. Okay, this is a cute blazer. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Put Pepper Tools try on there. It's very comfortable. Let's see, a little stand up. Not too bad. Kind of funny in the arms a little bit. Just a little. It's just a tad bit. Maybe I need to lay off the cheesecake. But it's not too bad. I like the lining. It's really heavy. It's about to get warm soon, so you know, I want something a little bit lighter. And last but not least, got these little pants here. And it's funny, I got pants similar to these. I think Rebecca, she's getting to know my style so much. She's picking things I already have kind of in my wardrobe, because I do have some pants similar to these. So, due to some technical difficulties, I won't be trying on the pants, but I will try on the tops and then see what you think. I got some black leggings on, so you can tell me what you think. So, hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back, and here is the leopard top. I love it. Girl, Rebecca, you did it, girl. I love it. I really do love it. Yes, it would have been cute in the tank, but I do like something with sleeves in it. This is really, really cute. You know what? If it came in, like, let's say, a zebra print tank, that would be also cute. But I just love the fit of it. I love the cut. Let me move back a little bit. See that? Yes. I absolutely do love this. I think she scored on this one. So I think this is definitely a keeper. So I'm going to go ahead and try on that white top. And I'm going to put the blazer back on. And tell me what you guys think. Hold on. Okay, guys. Here I am. So I paired the bag with it. And here I am in the blazer. Here's the shirt. Excuse me. Okay. Give me some thought. I give you some thoughts about it. I do like this detail, the keyhole detail. I don't know if I'm too much crazy about if it was a little bit more of a plain white shirt, I think I will probably like it a little bit better. The fit is really nice. I do have a red blazer already. These kind of fit a little funny in the arms, and plus with it, you know, coming into warmer weather, I was looking for something a little bit more lighter weight in this. But no, this is still a really cute blazer. So yeah, I have some thinking to do. And paired with this red purse, I like the idea. I could wear it as a clutch, you know, take the chains off and wear it like this, or go from there. So that's really cool. The pants, like I said, due to situation beyond my control, I'm not going to try these on, but I know that they fit. But I do have some pants similar to these. So if it's perhaps in a different color, you know, maybe it will be considered keeping. So I'm not sure. So let me go and change back into my Hustle shirt. That's so funny because the movie Hustle and Flow is actually on right now, and I'm wearing Hustle. And but let's get back to the pricing sheet and put my other shirt back on, and we'll conclude this video. So hold on. Okay, I am back. So now we're on to the pricing sheet. So you get 5 items in your box. So if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. And also your styling fee is also taken off. So the $20 come off that as well. But if you just only buy a couple of items, the 25% goes away and you just only get your $20. So let's take a gander. Let's see how much all this was. Okay, let's see. The purse, the Empire Layla ring clutch purse was $44. Okay. The Quinn keyhole crochet top off white, that was $64. The cut from the cloth straight leg pants was $88. The blazer was $68, and the top the one that I like the much, the animal print, that was $44. So that was a subtotal of $308. Now, if I bought everything, that's a $77 discount. That's 25% off. So my total will be $231. And then with my purchase credit of $20, that make my grand total of $211. Not a bad fix. The last fix I got was my most expensive. Pretty much I did like most of the stuff in here. Don't get me wrong, because Rebecca, you know my style, girl. You ain't like you started to know. You know my style. And some of the things I've already have in here. I know definitely the animal print top is coming with me. So I'm not too crazy about the white shirt, so that may be going back. The pants, not so much. So I'm probably going to be going back and forth either on the purse, but I've already have a purse like that because I think last year's fix I got a yellow purse kind of similar to that, which I really love, and yeah, but don't get me wrong. Everything that she put in my box, I absolutely love. But it's kind of like a duplicate, you kind of like looks like for something new, something fresh, for into your wardrobe. So, like I said, definitely the leopard print top is definitely going to come home with mama here. The other stuff, I'll just have to, think about it a little bit. While this is a 5 for $5 box, but I just won't be buying everything because, again, it'll be just a duplicate, some duplications in my wardrobe. So that's the only reason why. But, Rebecca, I love you, and you do very, very well with me. You very well. So, you definitely get some kudos with me. But, some of the stuff I already have, and like the only thing, probably was a miss was probably the white shirt. But, it's okay. It's okay because you always make up for it. So if you want to try Stitch Fix, I'll have a link down there below. And without further ado, thank you so much. Also, give me your opinions of what items you like, which ones I should keep, which ones I don't. Help me decide. And we can go from there. So until next time, can't talk. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends about Shy here in the Stitch Fix. And if you want to give it a try, look down in the description below. All right, my friends, you have a great one. God bless, and I'll talk with you soon. Peace out.